I'm Sarah, and I'm the editor of Base Notes. And today I'm going to talk you through a fun trick-or-treat DIY diffuser blend to use around Halloween. Yeah, she's nice. The first ingredient is our Nightcap blend, which is a mix of blood orange, black pepper, and ginger. This one is super great because it smells citrusy and a little spicy, but also a little sweet. So to me, it's like kind of like Halloween candy. So I put in about 12 drops of that. Next, I'm gonna add about 5 drops of Cedar Wood. It smells just really smoky and woodsy. Makes you kind of feel like you're outside or at a cedar sauna. And I think it's a great addition to the blend because it adds just a nice kind of earthiness. And finally, we're gonna add about 5 drops of frankincense essential oil, which is a really nice, grounding, earthy, a little bit spicy essential oil. And it smells really calming and comforting and pairs really nicely with the spiciness of Nightcap and the smokiness of Cedar Wood. And you're good to go. And this is a great, fun, festive DIY blend that is really nice if you're staying home and watching movies and drinking wine.